Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I want to show you guys a piece that complements multiple decor styles. These are my Nathan James Mina rattan side tables. One of the things that I love about these side tables is the addition of storage without compromising style. You can store things on top, on the second open shelf, or in the cabinet. I really appreciate the design because it blends natural and contemporary elements, which is the design that I'm going for, like an organic, modern design. The rattan detail can add bohemian charm, while the matte black accents bring a modern edge. So you can use these tables in your living room or like I have as nightstands in your bedroom. So if you are looking to add both functionality and style to your space, I highly recommend these side tables. And that's my point of view.